This is gonna be our breakfast. I'm not gonna film myself because I'm looking rough. But this is our last dinners and we didn't finish it, so we're eating it right now. So this is me officially starting today. And we already packed like almost all of our stuff and we need to leave in like 10 minutes. We're gonna go check out and then I think we are going to Las Palmas. That's the capital, I think, of Gran Canaria. Gran Canary. So yeah, let's go. We are in the car right now. And I have my hair like this because I want like wavy hair. So we are gonna go drive to Las Palmas. It's a 1-hour drive from here. We are in Palafacanta, I think. And we go there, we have like 2 or 3 hours. And then we go back, we need to be at the airport at 4 p.m. again. So we have like a little bit of time to kill. So let's go drive.
I can still remember the first time that we kissed, feeling light as a feather. I always wanna feel like this, but at some point we messed up, right, sugar? And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to that place? 'Cause I never.
We're just walking around a bit and we don't really know what we're gonna do, but I guess a bit of sightseeing. Sorry, my mouth is full. They just put a flower in my hair.
Just another memory. I don't wanna forget, no. And I don't wanna do what's wrong.
Lekker.
Dat is echt lekker.
Lekker fris. Of niet?
Ja.
Right, sugar. And when we fight, no one wants to stop. And as time goes by, I wonder, can we reverse the fall? Can we go back to the place never wanted you to never wanted you to leave? Oh yeah, I don't wanna be a memory, just another memory. Can we go back? Oh, 'cause I'm looking back. Yeah.
Hey guys. I'll show it to you in daylight tomorrow. First I'm gonna go get in the car. So we arrived at the airport and we went to like all the car rental companies and then everyone like how do you say it? Like everyone rejected us and I think it's because of our age mostly, and then the price goes up because of like the insurance, that if you're younger you have a bigger insurance. I think that's why, but also I feel like, I don't know, they ask like how many years of driving experience you have and I only have 2, and then they say yeah, it's 3. And they first ask me like how many years of driving experience I have, and then I say 2, and then they say you need 3. Like they're just
They don't want to give it.
like they just looking for a reason to not give it. Like what the fuck? Like if you have 2 years of driving experience, you can fucking drive. So anyways, we finally have got a car at the company Hertz. I'm so happy that Hertz gave us the opportunity to rent a car, because all these other companies, they would not like give us a car. I think
Shout out to Hertz.
mostly because of my age, I think. I have a car finally. And we're gonna go to our stay. It was like, I don't know why, it was so busy, like everyone needed a car. We waited in line like so long. What time is it? Like 8 p.m. And like we arrived at at like 7, so we were busy like for an hour to get a car. Anyways, we finally have a car. I'm so grateful and happy that we finally have a car, and now I'm gonna go drive to our stay. This is the car we have. It's a Hyundai Bayon E. We parked the car, and this car has like no power at all. Like I was on a slope, and like I don't know what it was, but I could not drive at all. Like I don't know, but I feel like the car is not that good. Like when we got the car, like the guy asked us like, so any car? And I was like, yeah, any cars, because we were like desperate to get a car because everyone rejected us already. So we were like, yeah, any car. So he gave us like a piece of crap basically, but
We have a car.
yeah, we're grateful that we have a car, but yeah, it's not a good one, and I don't really feel like that's safe driving with it. We'll survive. We're on our way to our stay right now. We just arrived in our stay. It's called Orlando 85 Complex, and this is the front. It's really nice because like you have privacy. Like in our last stay we had like no privacy. Like when you walked outside, like people were watching you literally. You have a washing machine here. Really nice because we both need to wash some clothes. A little couch. We have a dishwasher. This is the kitchen. Really, really nice. Yeah. A bedroom, but I honestly think we're gonna use the other one. This is a bedroom. Oh, it looks so cute. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. I honestly prefer this stay more than the other one. I don't know. The other one I didn't really have like a connection with this stay. It sounds a bit weird, but like I like this one. It looks so much better than the other one, to be honest. So yeah, this is our stay for like 5 days. We finally arrived. Good morning, guys. Yesterday we arrived in Tenerife and we just woke up and ate some breakfast. And right now we're gonna go to Siam Park, and it's like a big water park, so we'll go there. And I'm taking you guys with me. I actually want to film, but like we were like in one attraction and I couldn't film, so I was like, okay. So I think that's the only thing I filmed like the one attraction, because I cannot film, like they don't want me to hold something when I go down anything. We just got back from Siam Park. I really wanted to film, but I could not really film because with every water slide, when you go down, like you need to like hold on really tight. Only with one attraction went really slow. I could have filmed by that one, but unfortunately I didn't really film as much as I wanted. But right now we just got home and we're gonna go hang our wash up. Really interesting, so I'm gonna show y'all that in a hyperlapse. So this has been today's part of the vlog, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Good morning, guys. It's the next day and we are in the mood to have like more of a chill day today. So we are going to the beach.
Oh yeah, and maybe we'd be better off being just friends. Oh yeah, it's getting kinda obvious what you want from me. Only calling when you feel alone. You make promises, then you let them go. So if you just wanna have my body, you better go find somebody else.
Good morning, guys. We are going to the mountain Mount Teide. Oh no, it's a volcano. Mount Teide.
Ja. Volgens mij 2.
Kunnen we elkaar. Oh, kijk.
Jezus, er zijn echt veel, man. Gefascineerd zijn. Deze neten komen steeds meer.
Ja, wie meer op los?
Ik. Maar ik heb geen kinderen.
Nog niet.
Die kat is echt mooi.
Ja, die lijkt echt op een
Maar ook
tijger.
heel schoon of zo.
Deze lijkt echt op een tijger.
Ik wist gelijk dat jij voor mij de ware was.
There are so many cats around here.
Better go find somebody else. Somebody else.
We have seen the mountain and stuff, but like we were here really late, so we're not gonna do a whole big walk. And we came here by taxi, so we have like no transport back, and it's like there are also like no buses here, so I think we need to lift back to our stay. Yeah, so we need to find a ride to get like out of this whole mountain.
Daar is de kabelbaan.
Okay guys, we just got dropped off like at a gas station slash bus stop because we lifted with like some Dutch people and they dropped us off here. And we're waiting on the bus and it takes like a half hour until the bus is here and I'm so fucking cold right now.
Ik ben... Well, jij was erbij.
Hey guys, we're finally in a bus, but we don't we're not like in the bus, we need to go to like we're not in the right bus to go to like or stay. So, but we just need to get like off this mountain. That's the only thing, we need to get off this mountain, and then we will see where we are gonna go, I guess. I'm calling with my sister. She's a bit blurry right now. We need to go to Costa Adelaide, but this bus is going to Los Cristianos. But you know, right now we were on top of the hill, on top of the mountain, and then we were in Villa Flor. You know, we're finally getting out of the mountain. A whole adventure. And we almost we paid for it is so stupid. We almost, how much did you pay the taxi?
163 euros.
For 1 week.
And he almost made me pay 321 euros.
For a retour. So we didn't want to do that. So we lifted with a couple, and then we're taking the bus now, and then we will see how we will get home.
It was very expensive.
Yeah, so it's a whole experience right now. Okay guys, we finally got off the mountain and the bus stopped at a restaurant, so we ate at that restaurant. It's like an Indian restaurant. So we got some food at that restaurant and it was so spicy. And we finished almost all of it. Our plate was completely empty, and then we got the bread on the go, the naan bread. And now we're walking towards our stay. And tomorrow we will be going to Gran Canaria again, where we will be staying for 1 night. So that's it for today.